let's take a look at the new banner generator component included in your GPS subscription. So from your dashboard, you see GPS tools, advertising, and banner generator. Here you click and you will be in this page. Here you see you have well, you already have many banners available, different sizes. We're gonna add more and different series of banners, but in this moment we have this one. You see here on the left that you can use different filters. You have the invitation link, the type of ad that you want to do, the theme, and the size. So let's see each one of these filters. So you see, first of all, this is not actually a filter. Invitation link is not a filter. It is the link that will be included in your banner, and it's where you want to send your prospects. Okay, so let's say that you click the first one, invitation link form affiliates. So this is directly to the form where they can sign up and become affiliates. This one is where they can fill in the form to become shoppers. Then you have the link again to send the users to the home page to sign up as affiliate, and then the link again to send directly to the home page to sign up the shoppers. Okay, let's make an example. You see, I put here link form affiliates, then whatever banner I click here, for example this one, you see that I will see immediately the sign up form. Okay, and if I sign up, I will be registered as an affiliate. If I choose shopper, then I click and I also see the similar form, but I will register as a shopper. If I use the one for homepage, same concept, affiliate or shopper, but if I click, whatever I click, I will be on the home page, so people can read the home page and then decide to join. Okay. But then you also have the possibility to send them to your landing pages. You see that you have the landing page system, okay, which is this one. You know that in GPS tools, again, advertising, and you have your landing pages where you can set them up. So you have, you know, different templates and you can call them as you want. Okay, so when you are here, you have already set up your landing pages, and you will find them here available in this invitation link. So you see that if I select, for example, this one, attract, the one that I called attract, and I click the same banner, it will open that landing page. You see, where people can read this thing, can see the videos, and can decide to start attracting prosperity with Clubshop, okay, and fill the form and register as your personal sponsored members or affiliate. Okay, same thing. I want to, let's say there is this one, let's say that I can select the theme. I want to select this one that is about autopilot. You see that here talks about autopilot, so I will only see the banner related to this theme. Okay, and I can select only images, not videos. So again, it takes out all the videos there. I can select the size. So let's say that I want this one, 492. There are all standard sizes, of course, no? So you see, I have selected this one. And here, as I selected this page, is attract prosperity, as we've seen. But I can decide to use something more related to this theme. So this one about the autopilot. So I can use, for example, this one, Fast Biz. This one, that the template that I selected here is this one, and you see that then it can. No, it's not this one. It's not talking about the autopilot. So I could decide to select this one, work from home. Let's see what it gives. Is this one that is related to work from home via internet. Well, I can decide to use this one. Whatever. Anyway, you will see. We will add more and more landing pages, more banners, more videos. You see, this one includes this image here that is similar to the one that is in the banner. So there is a link between the two things. That's why we do this. No, we create more theme and more type. More theme and more landing pages that will be related to each one. So in this case, I could be happy with this selection. Okay, then I can do what? I don't know what to do. I see here the usual question mark, and it says how it works. To use these ads, copy and paste the link code into your own website HTML code or wherever you need to market your business. Your Clubshop ID, your Clubshop ID number, your referral ID is already in the code, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so what happened when you copy this link? Okay, you have generated this kind of code. You see, it includes your landing page, and you know that your landing page, of course, includes your referral link. Okay, and and of course the image. Let's say that you need, because it depends on where you are posting your ads. In certain places or in your page, let's say that you build your own web pages. Well, that's very simple. You simply copy, you have already copied actually this link, and you will paste it in the body or where you, in the IV, where you want to have that ad. So you see, this is exactly what will show up. This is the 328 for 492, and if you click, you go directly then to the to your landing page. Okay, so it is very, very simple. But let's say that instead, where you are posting your ads, they're required to put the link to the page where you want to send the people, and the image address. So it's very simple too. Also here you do a right click here, and you see copy image address. So in this case, you see what you have copied, only the address of the image. And if you want the landing page, of course, you simply click the image, and here you copy the URL. So you're sure that you have both elements here. Okay, so this is simple. Same things, of course, if you select only the videos, for example. Okay, you want to see videos, you can select theme. No, it doesn't find anything. Why? Because size is selected with the wrong one. So I can do this, select, and I will see again all the videos available in this moment. Then I can decide to select only the theme and so on. Same principle, right? Here, copy link, and the concept is the same. You see, I will again have another kind of code that is this one, which I can again copy and paste in my web page. Okay, so you see here, if I delete this one and I paste this one, you see that I have my video here available. When they click on the video, they are redirected immediately to my landing page. Okay, if here instead you select one of these these links instead of the landing page, where you will find in the code directly your referral ID. Okay, so the code will be a bit different, will be this one, and you will see, education link. Okay, I will refresh the page, maybe it's better. Okay, and the link that will be included in the code will have your referral ID. encrypted there. Look, I'm gonna show you this, for example. Okay, I copy the link here, it said link copied, and if I paste it here, you see that here there is this kind of code, which is your encrypted referral code, referral ID. Okay, so it's quite simple. Of course, who is gonna use these banners? Those of you that don't want to rely exclusively on the GPS and on the co-op. So not only the co-op shares that you get through your your GPS subscription, or the additional co-op shares that you can buy, and also if, of course, you already have some experience, a little experience at least, in online advertising. So you know how to make a campaign free or paying. It's up to you. Here is something that you have available. You can use it or not. And so this will add more, of course, personally sponsored members to your team. If they become trial partner or make purchases or whatever, of course, you will get the credit as their original sponsor. Okay, so if you have any questions about this component, of course, join us on the Facebook group or on the Telegram group. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you. Bye-bye.